So there are a ton of sources online saying that Tesla is secretly working on a brand new aluminum-ion battery and that this thing is about to flip the script on everything. Can you imagine that? The same metal we see in your soda can, the airplane frame, even the spoon in your kitchen could end the lithium empire that's dominated the battery world for decades. But here's the million-dollar question. Does this really mean the end of the lithium age? Are the crazy numbers we're hearing about this battery actually true? Does Tesla really have a battery that's going to let your car drive thousands of miles on a single charge? And is this what's going to make our future look totally different? That is exactly what we're going to find out today. Look, guys, this is not just some average battery upgrade. This is the moment where the past and the future split apart. For decades, lithium has been our silent king, powering our phones, our cars, and even our homes. But over time, the cracks started to show. Prices skyrocketed. Fires and explosions became a growing risk. And the supply chain? Controlled by just a handful of countries that run the whole show. But now, deep inside one of Tesla's most secret labs, something was born that could flip the entire game. A battery built not on scarcity, but on abundance. Not on fragility, but on strength. A battery that doesn't just compete with lithium, it literally obliterates it. So, is this really the end of lithium? Or are we just at the beginning of a whole new era? Let's dive into it. Exposing the myths about aluminum-ion batteries. An aluminum-ion battery is not just some alternative, It's a demolition job on everything lithium stands for. Claim number 1, insane energy density. What they're saying is Tesla's aluminum-ion cells hit up to 5,000 watt-hours per kilogram. That means a Model 2 that used to get 330 miles could now push past 3,000 miles on a single charge. The truth is, this claim is flat out false and massively exaggerated. There are zero official announcements from Tesla or credible scientific research confirming a battery with this insane density. Commercial lithium-ion batteries today are typically between 150 and 350 watt-hours per kilogram. The highest theoretical energy density for aluminum-ion batteries is around 1,060 watt-hours per kilogram. The numbers are big and exciting, yes, but not 5,000. These kinds of unrealistic figures are unfortunately just hype spreading around the internet. Claim number 2, say goodbye to dendrites. What they're saying is, lithium batteries suffer from dendrites, but aluminum? Zero. None. The truth is, this statement is not entirely accurate. Dendrites, those little tree-like structures, are what cause shorts and fires in high-energy lithium metal batteries. Aluminum-ion batteries are generally much safer because they use non-flammable electrolytes, which drastically cuts down on fire and explosion risks. However, research suggests that dendrites can still form in some types of aluminum metal batteries, even if they're easier to control due to aluminum's nature. The main point is that aluminum is more stable than lithium, which makes it an inherently safer choice. Claim number 3. One aluminum ion gives you 3 times the power. What they're saying is, aluminum ions carry 3 positive charges, while lithium carries just 1. That means every single aluminum ion moves 3 times the energy. The truth is, this is scientifically sound. The aluminum ion, Al3+, does indeed carry 3 positive charges compared to the lithium ion's lithium plus single charge. This is the core advantage that makes aluminum-ion batteries so promising in research because it theoretically opens the door to much higher energy densities. Why aluminum is the future anyway? Even though the claims about Tesla and 5,000 watt-hours per kilogram are over the top, aluminum-ion batteries still have huge, real advantages that make them a strong contender to replace lithium in the future. Material abundance. Aluminum is the most abundant metal in the Earth's crust, making it much cheaper and easier to source. Safety. The chemicals used in aluminum-ion batteries are far less flammable than those in lithium batteries, dramatically reducing the risk of fires and explosions. Sustainability. These batteries don't need cobalt, which lets them completely bypass the ethical and environmental nightmares associated with cobalt mining. Fast charging. Research is confirming that these batteries have the potential to charge much faster than lithium-ion cells. So, is aluminum-ion the end of lithium right now? No. It still needs time to develop and hit the market. But is it the beginning of a whole new era? Absolutely. And that is exactly what we're going to break down today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to keep up with the latest tech of the future.
All right, guys. After we got through all the facts and figures, we have to be completely honest with each other. Is the aluminum-ion battery really the lithium killer? The honest answer, we're not quite there yet. What we saw today is that aluminum has massive theoretical potential. One ion carries 3 times the charge, the safety is super high, and the immense abundance completely shatters the lithium monopoly. Aluminum solves the crises of lithium prices, supply chain issues, and it also gets rid of cobalt entirely. So if all of that is true, why isn't there an EV on the road right now with an aluminum-ion battery? Well, here comes the hard truth. Aluminum-ion still has big, growing pains in the labs. The main hurdle is the cycle life, which still doesn't compete with lithium, and the challenges of choosing suitable materials for mass production. Experts are saying we are still 5 to 10 years away from seeing aluminum-ion batteries enter commercial production and compete seriously. That doesn't mean it won't happen. Quite the opposite. Research is moving at full speed. But lithium-ion is also evolving, so the competition won't be easy. We are living in the golden age of battery research. Aluminum-ion is one of the most promising developments. Lithium will still be the king for years to come, but aluminum-ion is the crown prince preparing in secret. The future doesn't need scarcity to be powerful. The future needs abundance and intelligence, and aluminum has both. Keep following us because we will be the first ones to tell you when aluminum-ion truly busts that door wide open.